Alright, I installed this, and since I have a seat cover on, I had to do it a little differently. And instead of doing it like a T, so this can be moved around, which I like that. You can see my whole back seat. The red lights for night light, you can see them on the camera, but when I'm looking at them, like not through the camera, I can't even see the red lights. It's crazy how you can see them so well on the camera. And then here is the video, and that's actually showing night vision right now. The quality is really good. I'm like so happy I got this product because my dog has jumped out the window before with her seatbelt on and it saved her life, but she hit the window button and rolled the window down. So now I'm able to see them in the back seat and make sure that they're safe. And when I have the baby in the car, I can see the baby, and it's perfect for so many different needs, whether you use it for animals, kids, or whatever. It's such a great product. I love LeeKooLuu. I have so many products of theirs. I have one of their reverse cameras also, which I absolutely love. And just to show you guys that, I know this isn't a review for that, but the reverse camera is a really great reverse camera also, and one of my favorites, so you guys should check that out also.
When you're traveling with a baby, it is super helpful to have this camera, and you can look back to see if your little one has fallen asleep or if she seems to be needing something. We found this camera to be incredibly helpful. We have it hooked up on the headrest of the seat holding our infant car seat, and it's super helpful. I highly recommend.
This camera is great. It is high quality and lets you see everything that you need to see. The camera lets you rotate it 360 degrees so you can find the perfect angle. I am very pleased with this.
Pow pow. More, please.